Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. The art of coastal calm, designing a French coastal house in bleached white. The French coastal style evokes a sense of timeless, sun-drenched elegance, reminiscent of a breezy summer home in Saint-Tropez. This design philosophy moves beyond mere nautical clichés to embrace a refined and relaxed atmosphere centered on light and texture. At its heart lies a palette of pure, bright white, which serves as a crisp canvas for natural materials and subtle accents. Imagine walls finished in a soft, matte white like Chantilly Lane, absorbing and diffusing the light beautifully. This approach creates a serene and airy backdrop that feels both sophisticated and effortlessly comfortable. The result is a home that is a permanent sanctuary, bathed in calm and understated luxury. The exterior sets the tone with a facade of chalky, bleached white stucco that glows warmly under the sun. Weathered gray shutters, perhaps in a faded charcoal hue, frame the windows and add a touch of rustic charm. The garden embraces a wild, natural aesthetic with hardy, drought-resistant plants like lavender, olive trees, and sprawling juniper. A pathway of pale jute-colored gravel or worn stone slabs leads invitingly to the front door. Simple rustic terracotta pots filled with white geraniums provide a pop of pure color against the white walls. This harmonious blend of structure and nature creates an immediate sense of arrival and tranquility. Upon entering, you are greeted by a flood of natural light reflecting off the pristine white walls and ceiling. The floor might feature large, limestone-look tiles or wide plank flooring in a pale, weathered gray finish. A console table in a light oatmeal tone or crafted from driftwood provides a functional and aesthetic focal point. A simple, woven jute runner adds softness underfoot and introduces a delightful textural contrast. A large unframed mirror with a silvery, aged finish leans against the wall to amplify the light and sense of space. This entryway is designed not as a hallway, but as a welcoming prelude to the home's serene atmosphere. The living room is the heart of this coastal retreat, defined by its inviting and airy feel. Deep, comfortable sofas are upholstered in soft oatmeal or pale linen fabrics, inviting you to sink in and relax. A central coffee table of reclaimed, weathered gray wood anchors the space with its organic form and history. Textural layers are added through a chunky knit throw, linen curtains, and a seagrass basket filled with plush blankets. The mantelpiece, painted the same matte white as the walls, displays a curated collection of seashells and a piece of driftwood. This room masterfully balances comfort with a minimalist, light-filled aesthetic. This sanctuary is designed for ultimate rest, with walls and linens in varying shades of white and off-white. The bed, dressed in crisp white cotton, is layered with a throw in a pale jute color and pillows in oatmeal linen cases. A headboard crafted from weathered gray wood or wrought tan adds a soft, natural focal point against the white wall. Underfoot, a sisal or jute rug provides textural warmth and a connection to the earth. The lighting is soft and ambient, perhaps from a woven pendant lamp that casts delicate shadows on the ceiling. Every element works in concert to create a cloud-like, peaceful environment perfect for unwinding. The dining area feels both elegant and effortlessly casual, centered around a farmhouse table of pale oak or bleached wood. Surrounding it are slip-covered dining chairs in a durable, washable white or oatmeal canvas. Overhead, a simple chandelier with linen shades or wrought iron with a faded finish provides a soft, intimate glow. Table settings continue the theme with white ceramic dinnerware, woven placemats, and linen napkins. A sideboard in a weathered gray finish offers both storage and a surface for displaying a collection of white pottery. This space is perfect for long, leisurely meals that stretch from day into night. The kitchen embraces a rustic yet refined feel with cabinetry painted in the signature matte white, possibly with a shaker-style profile. Countertops of honed Carrara marble or a light quartz with subtle gray veining add a touch of classic luxury. Open shelving made from reclaimed, weathered gray wood displays simple white dishes and woven baskets. The backsplash might consist of simple white subway tiles, or be omitted entirely for a continuous plastered look. Utilitarian items like a ceramic oil cruet and a wooden bread bowl in pale oak tones are left on display as part of the decor. This is a kitchen that feels both highly functional and beautifully serene, a true cook's sanctuary. The bathroom becomes a spa-like retreat, with walls and floor tiles in varying shades of matte white. A vanity crafted from weathered gray wood planks or painted in a pale oatmeal hue provides warm organic contrast. The countertop could be a simple white marble or a solid surface, keeping the look clean and uncluttered. A large unframed mirror hangs above the vanity, reflecting light from a window or a simple sconce with a linen shade. Textural interest is introduced through thick, white cotton towels and a woven hamper. This space proves that simplicity and the thoughtful use of natural materials can create a profoundly luxurious and calming experience.